All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I wanted to do a quick analysis. I thought this would be a really fun video because I think a lot of you are wondering, and when you guys are trying to find and choose the best AI writer, cost comes into mind. That's probably one of the biggest things that people consider. And so I'm going to go ahead and do a cost analysis. You can see I already have the stats up here. We're going to go and take a look, and I'll explain the spreadsheet to you in just a second. But before we do that, I'm going to take a look at Agility Writer and AI WiseMind. Right over here, we've got their pricing, and then Koala Writer. These are definitely my three of my top AI writers right now. I could add some more in here, but these three seem to be the biggest ones that come to mind. With the exception of Zimmwriter, I'm not going to include Zimmwriter in here, and only for the fact that I can tell you right now that that would be the lowest cost one. If I did all four of these, Zimmwriter would win hands down when it comes to cost, because it's your sheer paying for just OpenAI usage. Basically, especially if you get the lifetime plan, you're not paying anything monthly. And then if you do get Zimmwriter monthly, it's only $10 a month. So Zimmwriter would win out of all these with cost wise, but I think it would actually come in pretty decently close to AI WiseMind, and so in some respects. But this also does not take into account right over here. So Agility and Koala, and we've got AI WiseMind. Okay. So this also doesn't keep in mind, this doesn't take into account all the different features of the different tools, because depending on what your goals are and what you're looking for in your AI writer, one of these tools may be your best bet, and it's not just about cost. Okay. So keep that in mind before you leave in the comments, hey, but did you consider that this tool, Agility Writer, does this, and that's why the cost is that much. That is true, but that's not what this test is. In this video, we are only talking about the cost of the tools and nothing else, right? We're only talking about which one costs the most and the least, okay? So we have these, and we've got the pricing on the page. I'm going to be looking at the $25 a month plan because that's the lowest cost of entry for Agility Writer right here. And I am taking into account, if you guys use LearnWire, if you want to pick up Agility, I'll leave the links to all three of these below. But if you pick up Agility Writer, you get, if you use I believe it's LearnWire, I'll put the code below. But you will get 10% off as well. But what you will also get is the normal deal is you get these added credits right here. You actually, I believe you only get that for the first month. If you use the LearnWire coupon code below, you get it for 3 months. On these three plans right here, you get the extra additional credits for 3 months. I hope I explained that correctly. But certainly we're going to be going with $25 a month right here. You get 32 articles on this one and so forth, right? And then we'll go over to Koala. And I didn't go with the $9 plan because that's just too much of a low amount of keywords, and it's not the same pricing point. So we did go with the $25 a month plan right there as well. So that's actually perfect because they're both $25. So it'll be interesting to see what you get between the two, right? Which one is truly the most expensive. And then they have a bunch of different plans. We are going to go down here to the Elite plan as well on the chart. And then also we've got AI WiseMind. You'll see the different pricing points. Looks like they have 6 pricing points. We're going to be looking at the $37 a month plan. Yes, that's more. That's $12 more than the $25 plan, but this one is more of a fair. If you want to get all of the bells and whistles and everything, I definitely don't recommend the base plan with AI WiseMind. Even though you get more articles up here, you're going to have to do a lot more manual work as far as auto connecting, syncing sites, creating sites using the site wizard, auto scheduling your posts. I mean, I just almost wouldn't recommend this tool unless you pick up the essentials plan. That's just my opinion. So we're going with the $37 a month plan because that's where you have all of the features. You get to use all the features for AI WiseMind. Okay. So hopefully that is all considered here. And then if I go in, make sure I'm not sharing anything. Yeah, I'm not sharing anything that I wouldn't want. But if I hover over here, you'll see it's 0.02 cents. Today, the only thing I'm using usage for, you can see I obviously don't use OpenAI that much because I have all these tools. And one of the advantages that you get with Koala and Agility is that they're taking care of all of the the AI costs that they're using, right? They're taking care of that. And that's why these tools are more expensive. You don't have to go in and use your own OpenAI key and plug it into the tool and all that, right? So I'm considering all those in the pricing though. But the only thing I have hooked up right now that I have actually using and creating content today, July 28th, the day of recording this video, is AI WiseMind. And I'm using the turbo mode, the recommended mode, and it costs 2 cents, 0.02. So 2 cents to create each article. Okay. So I'm using 0.02 as the kind of the base amount, and I'm adding that on to the spreadsheet. So let's go take a look at the spreadsheet and I'll explain what's going on here. So Agility Writer, right? We have it's $22. Lowest monthly cost is $22.50, and because I averaged in. I took off $2. What is it? $2.80 from the $25 plan, because you do get that 10% off for life. If you put in one of those 2 coupon codes, you can use my coupon code and get 10% off. I think you get a couple more perks. Adam could probably explain it better. But if you use my code below, you'll get the 10% off for life on the monthly plan, but then you'll also get extra credits or something like that. Anyway, $22.50 right here per month. You get 32 articles on that plan, and that's going to cost you 70 cents. You can see I have the formula right over here. It's the cost divided by the articles. We have 70 cents per article. Koala right here is $25 a month. And the way that I came up with this, because they give you an amount of words, you get 45,000 words on that plan. So they don't do it by article, right? They actually do it by how many words you're using. And so the best way I kind of remember with this, of course, it's going to bust out 2,500, 3,000 word articles, and then it's going to bust out. But on average, from me using the tool, it usually creates about 1,800 words per article. That's what I'm going with, is 1,800 words per article. And so, I did the formula right here, and we land at about 25 articles that you would be able to pump out on the $25 plan per month with that 45,000 words. And so that leads us to $1 per article in Koala. Okay. A lot of people, I think that Agility might have been more expensive than Koala, but the stats that I'm showing right here show that Koala is slightly more expensive. Of course, if Koala is actually creating like 2,000 or 2,500 word articles per post, then this would be even more expensive, right? So this is actually being pretty generous right here. So just keep in mind, Koala could even be a little bit more expensive than this. AI WiseMind. Here's how I came up with the pricing for this. So it's $37 a month, right? To pay for the tool. You get 100 articles on that plan. That would make it 37 cents per article. They don't care about how many words, and you're getting like 2,000-3,000 words a lot of the time. So they don't care about how many words you're using. They are using 3.5, and so that's why they don't really care. You can use 4.0, and it will cost more money. It will take more credits, right? And they manage all that for you. And you do have to use your key right here. This is the only tool out of the 3 that you have to put in your OpenAI key. And there's going to be a cost on top of what you're paying right here. So seemingly, just right off the bat with just these 3 right here, you would say, oh, AI WiseMind's more expensive, but not when you look at the amount of articles you get with the tool. You get 3 times as many articles on AI WiseMind $37 plan, and it's only 37 cents per article. And I added in on that 2 cents times 100 articles is $2. So the total cost for AI WiseMind would be $39 for 100 articles. And it's 39 cents per article. So hopefully that makes sense. The clear winner at the lower end, obviously your eyes are probably wondering down here as well, but I'll still explain it to you. AI WiseMind is the clear winner. It's about half of the price of Agility, and it's about a third of the cost of Koala. So AI WiseMind is the cheapest of them, and then you go Agility Writer and then Koala. Okay. And then as far as AI Writer's highest cost, the highest cost price plan for Agility Writer is $890 a month. That'll land you 1,600 articles and you'll pay 51 cents per article. And remember, this is just the one-click article. Of course, there's all these bells and whistles that you get with these other tools right here, like the most SEO powerhoused out of the three. If I wanted an SEO powerhoused one-click article, it would be Agility Writer, but it would cost 4 times this. So it actually cost about $2 for an article if you used 4 credits, if that makes sense. Make the 70 cents up here, and it would cost about $2.80, I believe. This is the one-click article. Advanced will cost you $2.80 on average for an SEO, advanced SEO article, just to let you know that, if that's what you're going to be using it for. So, all right, so moving on, we have the Koala of $2,000 a month that you can spend on Koala, and that's going to be 10 million. It's 10 million words per month. It's just ridiculous. And that will yield 1,800 articles. That will yield you 5,556 articles that you would actually be able to write. And the grand total for each article cost would be 36 cents. Pretty cool, actually. The fact that all these are under $1 anyway. So if you really think about it, I mean, it's creating amazing content that ranks. This is low. They're all 3 low cost in my opinion. But your eyes probably went to AI WiseMind at the $297 a month plan, way lower cost than those right here, than Agility and Koala. And then I added in $60 for the amount. I took 2 cents times 3,000 articles that you get on this plan, 3,000 articles a month. That would end up being $60 extra added on, right? So that is, the total cost would be $357 for AI WiseMind for total operating costs. And the grand total is only 12 cents an article, right? 12 cents an article for AI WiseMind. So let me go ahead and reveal the results right here. The verdict is AI WiseMind is the lowest cost out of the 3 at every price point. So hopefully this helped you guys out when you're trying to do a cost analysis on these 3 tools. Let me know if there's other ones in here that you want me to kind of do a cost analysis as well. But hopefully this helps you make but remember that if you not to only consider pricing on all these tools, remember these other tools they all have different capabilities. You're going to get a little bit higher quality content with Agility Writer and Koala, I believe, and that's why you will pay a higher price. But you won't get all of the advanced, amazing affiliate tools, like creating sites instantly for you, creating all the pages for you, hooking up with Amazon, and all the advanced affiliate marketing type things you get with AI WiseMind, and building niche websites. It would be much easier and faster with AI WiseMind than any other tool I've seen. So they all have their advantages, and I just recommend using all 3. I at least recommend picking one of these 2 to go with your higher quality content needs or basic content needs, and building out websites quickly and scheduling them, advanced scheduling. AI WiseMind is a must. So that's just my opinion. Have some fun with it. Hopefully this cost analysis helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.